despite all the bad mouthing and the bickering and the concerns and the criticisms, Reggae Boys senior coach Theodore Tapper Whitmore has guided Jamaica to number 45 on the FIFA ranking. All this talking, including some from the Maverick, about Jamaica not playing attractive football, how we don't have no creativity, how we don't have no style, how we don't have no philosophy. We are now number 3 ranked in the CONCACAF region, behind Mexico and the USA. And this is all courtesy of Coach Tapper Whitmore. Him get the little Nations League thing to deal with, love it or hate it, but him deal with it. And look, we all know Jamaica. If Whitmore had a funny accent and curly hair and a cooler, whiter face, would I hear say, yes, Jamaica have a big coach and we should pay him what he deserves, and non-Jamaican can't quote football and blah, blah, blah. So again, we're begging the football fraternity, corporate Jamaica, the government, Jamaica on a whole, to put some respect beside Tapper Whitmore name. As me say, if he was a foreigner, he would be automatically showered with respect and money. All if he's not good and don't deserve it. But as a Jamaican, and especially a black Jamaican, to get even the single respect, you have to be double good and double successful. Yes. And right now, Tapper double good and double successful. So we are saying double big up to Tapper Whitmore. Double. Yes, we're on the Maverick, double up to the Maverick. So the Maverick double good to him. Yes, 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 yes.